Garrick Wordmuller, and I'm here with Diana Diaz, and we're just kind of going to jump right into it today. We got some really cool, exciting things to talk about, including prospecting in the age of AI. Now we are going into the AI listing and open house. So we're talking about open house, lead capture, rethought, reloaded. Now this one, uh, we used to have sign-in sheets with bad handwriting, fake phone numbers, no follow-up, 1 out of 10 leads, maybe answers the next day, etc. It's kind of the old way of marketing. We're going to talk about there are several services out there um, similar to MoveTube. I don't know if there are or not. Actually, MoveTube is very unique, but as far as the data capture and things, I think there might be similar things for open house. I will also say I'm talking about MoveTube because we have a MoveTube account. Deanna would be your account manager. Deanna, excuse me, would be your account manager if you are a MoveTube person of ours, agent of ours. And it's a really cool thing. So it is a free thing. That QR code goes to my MoveTube, but you can get a free account at movetube.com. You can just apply and get it. And you'd have some of this stuff, not all of it. But if you go through me, I'll give you everything. No problem. You get it all. All right. Full disclosure. Oh, I already went through this. So this has visitor signs, QR codes, automated follow up. We're going to get into it, so I won't get into that. This is the coolest thing, I think, just because we can, get data, get the leads, get the names, the emails, and phone numbers with this. So I like to have a plastic little flyer stand right at the open house, maybe even have 3 around. But they scan it. Oh, by the way, the seller wants you to register. Would you mind registering before you come in to the open house? And then they have to scan, they register, and then the information gets tracked. Then we have the property flyers. Would you mind like kind of telling them how easy it is to use the property flyer feature?
Yeah, of course. Like, hey guys, I personally love this platform. It's really cool. It is a great tool to create content for your social media. And as Garrick mentioned, like you can create like the post with the property information, like these kind of flyers that we're looking at right now. I love it because it looks clean, it looks neat, and I really like that it shows like if there are public transport in nearby the house, restaurants, hotels, like gas stations, like schools, like in case you're a family. I think it has all the information you need, and and it looks good, And with the previous one, you could see like the open house, like to sign in, and it's really cool as well. And also, you can create trailers, and you can generate the narration of the trailer. Like you can like move to create it like automatically for you. So if but you can also edit it if you want, and you can choose between these AI voices. Like you can choose between Brianna, that it's an elegant female, then you can choose like Barry, who is this British guy. So it's really cool. Like you can choose like the audio you want to use, and then it automatically gives you the pictures and it creates it for you. If you guys want like need any help for to use this platform, I would be happy because I really like it. So I can always help you if you have any doubts, or also to create content for you so we can work together. Right, Gary?
Yes, thank you. And what else is cool too? That was awesome. Appreciate it. Is we have it comes with some listing swag for it's a great. So not only are we streamlining your open house marketing content with social media with the QR codes to then well, let me finish this. But it does have like this, so you can say to Mr. Seller, "Hey, Mr. Seller, not only do I have what everyone else has, but we can actually list your property on TV So the other side of MoveTube is it's a streaming app that's on Roku, Apple TV, Samsung, Google TV, everything, where they can watch properties through that, and the general public can as well. And then it also can create, it will create rather video, digital card. Um, but it then creates all the content will be here. Um, but as far as on the listing side, it gives you a whole another addition to your arsenal of why they should use you over someone else, because no one else is doing. Very few people are doing this. And so the cool thing, this is the back end of MoveTube, where open house leads are right here. If anyone texts you, they all go into this portal, and so you can manage all your contacts. And then we have the follow up refer back system. How many people did you call yesterday, Deanna?
Oof, around 35.
Okay, and so we're always following up with your leads. Um, and we did 185 lead follow up calls a couple weeks ago, so we're like on top of it. Um, so again, this is kind of what Deanna spearheads here, creating the swag. And we do post on our socials too and whatnot, and then we do the follow up refer back system. Hey, you're working with the Deanna Diaz. Hey, I'm Garrick Wordmuller with the Deanna Diaz real estate team. Deanna's awesome. You know, she just wanted me to follow up. I handle a lot of the financing. Did you guys have any financing questions or rates? I hear they're coming down pretty soon. Did you have any questions about rates right now? It's kind of how we follow up. Always on your behalf, epitomizing you. Okay, and so that's our segment on open houses, and then we call our leads. Our leads day is Thursday, so we have past client sphere of influence Wednesday. We have Monday, which is new referral partners, expireds, data mining, things like that. Colder calls, right? And then part four, or then Thursday is your or Wednesday, I'm sorry, Sphere Influence Database, whatever. I choked on that one.